students, this is Latika Nair from Samarpan Gnyan school. Today we are going to study English grammar of class 7 and the topic which we are going to see is determiners. So in last class you learned about noun. Yes or no? Yes. So now today we are going to learn about determiners. Now you must be thinking that what is determiner, right? So I want you to read this words loud. So we will read it together. An eagle, that book, our bag, each boy, a lot of sugar, many songs. So you must be thinking that why these words are highlighted, right? Or in bold letters. The reason is these are the determiners, right? So now we will be seeing this in detail, but these are the determiners, right? And that, our, then each, a lot of, and many, right? So now we will see it in detail. What is determiner? Determiners. A determiner is a word or a group of words that introduces a noun. So in this picture, you can see that a noun is asking for a help and the determiner is giving help, right? So determiner helps the noun, right? So this is what determiner is. So determiner is a word or a group of words which is introducing noun. It is an important noun modifier that introduces and provides content to a noun, right? So it helps noun to modify itself, right? Or else determiners are the words which we use with a nouns to just help uh, them limit, right? Or modify the meanings of the noun. They may refer to a specific thing of a particular kind, right? And determiners precede a noun. As I told you that first determiner is coming in, then noun comes, right? So moving further, we use some determiners with only singular nouns while we use others with only plural nouns, right? So we are using certain determiners with plural nouns and some with singular nouns, right? So we will see then which are the singular nouns and where we are using the determinants, and which are the plural nouns and where we are using the determinants, right? So first one which is given, that is the onion. So in this the determiner is the and noun is onion, right? So you can see that in onion, that is the noun, we are using singular determiner, right? And this noun is singular noun. And now coming to the next one, that is similar but it's plural noun. In plural noun it is onions and we are using the same determiner, that is the. Coming to the next one, that is which book, right? So here you can see that book is a noun, right? And which is used, and it is a determiner, and we have used this determiner with a singular noun. Same as over here, which is used with a plural, right? Which is a determiner, again plural with a plural noun. And here again, your bag. Bag is a singular noun which is used with a determiner, that is your, and bags is plural, again it is used with the determiner, that is your, right? Coming to the types of determiners, right? So now we will be seeing what are the types of determiners. So coming to the first one, that is articles. Children, from very lower classes we are learning articles. So you must be knowing that what are articles. A, and the, right? demonstrative determiners. So these kind of demonstrative determiners are that, this, those, right? So these are the demonstrative determiners, right? Coming to the possessive determiners, those are my, yours, right? Mine, and his, theirs. So these are the possessive determiners which shows possession, right? That is, it is yours, it is mine, it is my book, it is your book, it is their house. So these are the possessive which shows possessiveness, right? Now the next one is quantifier. Quantifier, it means which has certain it points some mentions, right? Mention some quantity or something like that, right? So for example, a few, a little, right? Then much, more, or several, or many. So these are the quantifier determiners. Coming next to the numeral, right? So it means that in numbers, right? First, second, right? So these are the numeral determiners. She got first in the class, right? So first time he went to a picnic. So this is numeral determiner. Coming to the next one, that is interrogative. Interrogative means in this word only you understood that what is interrogative means. It is one kind of question, right? So what, which, right? So these kind of question are known as interrogative determiners. So now we will see these things in detail. Articles, as I told you that articles are of two kinds, right? Again, it is having a different two kinds. That is, one is definite and the other one is indefinite, right? So we'll be seeing this in detail. So in indefinite article, it is not specific, right? So indefinite article indicates that its noun is not a particular one. As I told you, it is not specific, identifiable to the listener. It may be something that the speaker is mentioning for the first time, right? Or the speaker may be making a general statement about any such things. So it can be related to first time thing or else a general statement which is done by the speaker, right? So one example is given over here. An apple, right? Dora eats an apple every day. A bird is sitting on the tree. And then another one, right? An egg. So these are the indefinite articles. I hope you understood. So moving to the next one, that is definite article. That is, definite means very particular, right? That is, the means the listener is identifies that it is very the particular one, right? So here I will be telling you that the dog barked at girl. So there is one particular dog which was barking at the girl, right? So it may be something that the speaker has already mentioned, and it may be something unequally specified, right? Uniquely specified. So it means that it is possible that it is previously specified what was it, or else it is that it is already mentioned and it is certain unique thing. The definite article is for both singular and plural nouns, that is, the, right? So the other examples are the apples I brought yesterday, the moon, the earth, right? So it is mentioned for a particular or specific thing, right? So that is known as definite, right? So moving to the next one, that is demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative determiner. It is the second point of the types of determiner. So a determiner that points to a particular noun or to the noun it replaces. That are four demonstrative: this, that, these, those. So the example is, that house is very dirty. That is your book. So children, here all you saw that the noun, before the noun these determiners are written, right? Here also you saw that house is a noun and that is coming before, and here also you saw that the dog. So here also dog is determiner, and sorry, dog is a noun and the is a determiner. Coming to here, apple, right? So apple is a noun and is your determiner, right? I hope you understood what we studied today. So thank you.